Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to color grade in Final Cut Pro without any plugins. And this tutorial is going to be a little different from the other standard color grading tutorials because I'm going to mess around and play with the different settings and color grade our Mavic Air 2 drone video footage and create something cool. I'm essentially going to be presenting you take a boring flat Mavic Air 2 drone video footage and turn it into something that looks kind of cool or interesting. And I named today's color grade as Purple Heart. We are not going to be using any other third-party plugins. This is going to be a plugin-free color grading done all in Final Cut Pro using the color board that comes with it. So without further ado, let's roll it. First, let's open the effect browser and select the color board and apply it to the video clip. I hope you like this Final Cut Pro color grading tutorial, and if you did, please follow us on our Instagram page, and most important thing, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay notified about any new content in this channel. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.